Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Marvel Rivals on your school Chromebook. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Now search Boosteroid. Now click on first website. This is a gaming website where you can install and play games on your school Chromebook. Here you can see run PC games on any device. Now first of all you have to sign in or sign up your account. After signing in, go to game sections. Now here you will see all games, but we want Marvel Rivals. Click on search bar here. Now search here Marvel Rivals. As you can see, here is Marvel Rivals and it's free. Click on it. For this, Steam account required to play this game. First of all you have to create a Steam account on Steam website. Now come here on Boosteroid. Now click on install and play. After installing the game, you can play Marvel Rivals on your school Chromebook. So this is you can play Marvel Rivals on your school Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.